Greetings, River Lady here with Bailey and my Anemone Fantasy Red Riding Hood, which I had ordered from Bluestone Perennials back in the late spring. And as you know from my videos, this is not a paid endorsement. I don't do paid endorsements. Anyway, Anemone Fantasy Red Riding Hood has a tight growth habit. She doesn't spread like other anemones. She maintains this compact growth pattern, and her flowers are just so sweet, dark pink on the inside with the yellow pollen rings. Thank you, Bailey. And she has light pink underneath her petals. She's a great plant if you're looking for something small and polite in your garden, because she won't take over. All right, I wish you happy gardening. Bye.